Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today you can see on the board we are going to solve the exponential equations. This exponential equation, this type of exponential equations is very important for competitive exams. Those who are going to appear the competitive exam, for them this video is going to be very helpful. Look it carefully how we'll solve it. You have to find out the value of x, right? So here we can write 5 raised to x plus 1. So you can split 5 raised to x into 5 raised to 1. We can write it by the laws of exponents. If the base are same, we can add the power. So if we split it, we'll get this one. So this one will be 5 raised to x, right? Okay. Now from these two expressions, we will take common 5 raised to x. Here also 5 raised to x. So we can take common 5 raised to x. What we'll get? 5 raised to 1, that is 5 only. Here we have take common, so 150. Is it clear? All right. Okay. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 5 raised to x equal to 150. Now divided by 6, this is cancel, 5 raised to x, if we divide it you will get 25. Now we can write 5 raised to x, 25 means 5 5 is 25, that is 5 square. Now see, if the bases, if this is equal, if the bases are same, then we can equate their exponent power. So x equal to, since the base are same, we can equate their exponent, we can equate their power. So x is equal to 2. This is the answer. I hope I can make it clear. Thank you.